किया होगा स्टूडेंट, नहीं तो एक बार हम और करेंगे। इसको जितना बार रिवाइज करोगे, जितना बार आप इसको देखोगे, आपको लर्न हो जाए। तो स्टूडेंट, लेट्स स्टार्ट to do the application of trigonometric ratios. Student, this is our first question. The height of a tower is 10 centimeter. So let's draw the figure first. This is the tower of the height 10 centimeter. Calculate the length of its shadow. The shadow is always on the horizontal line. So we have to calculate this shadow distance from this point on which the tower is standing. And the sun altitude is 45. The sun is here somewhere, and the altitude, this means the angle between the shadow and the altitude of the sun is 45 degree. Student, now in our first video I already explained the trigonometric ratio in a right angle triangle, and I give the synonym of Pandit, Bhadri, Prasad, Har, Bol. This is sine value, this is cos value, this is tan value. And in application of trigonometric ratio, most of the time we use tan 45, and in my next video I explain all trigonometric ratio with respect to angles. The tan 45 degree is always 1. So here student, we apply the trigonometric ratio with angle 45 degree. Tan 45 degree student, perpendicular upon base. Pandit, Bhadri, Prasad, Har, Bol. So here P upon B is perpendicular upon base. Now in this figure, the perpendicular is always in front of the acute angle, and the hypotenuse is always in front of the right angle. Student, here perpendicular is 10 centimeter and base is our shadow. We represent by BC. Student, tan 45 1 and equal 10 centimeter upon BC. This implies length of shadow is length of shadow will be, student, how much? 10 centimeter. This is the required answer of this question. Any doubt student? कोई दिक्कत समस्या परेशानी? No one, because we explain all the things by step. Now student, this is your next question. This question is a tree breakdown. Let's draw the figure first. This is the tree, and the tree is breakdown parts bend. That's why we draw the bended part. Suppose the height of the tree is AB, it bent from the point C, and this is the actual figure when the tree is break down. Okay student, and touches the ground at an angle of 30 degree. That's mean this angle is 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree, here is the foot of the tree, and the top touches the ground is 8 meter. This is your 8 meter distance. Find the height of the tree. We have to calculate height. Student, first we see this is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. This 90 degree, in front of this is hypotenuse. This is base, and this is our perpendicular. This is base. Student, now apply the synonym which I gave in previous question. Pandit, Bhadri, Prasad, Har, Bol. Here we apply tan 30. Student, last video made tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Let's start. Tan 30 equal perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is CB and base is AB. Now BC or CB, I can write BC or CB, and AB is 8 meter. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and BC upon 8. Cross multiply student. 8 upon root 3 is the height. BC is 8. Now student, we have to calculate whole height. That's mean I have to calculate AC also. Again apply which trigonometric property in which the hypotenuse is given. Either this one, here is sine, or this one, here is cos. It depends on you. You have both. You can calculate any. Sine P upon H, any sine 30. Now student, sine 30 is, hurry up student, sine 30 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Always remember, hypotenuse is always in front of the 90 degree. Sine 30, 1 by 2. BC I already calculated. 8 upon root 3 into 1 upon AC. Now AC is, cross multiply student, 16 upon root 3. Now student, height of tree. Total height of tree. How much student? AB, and we calculate AB by AC plus CB. AC is 16 upon root 3 and CB is 8 upon root 3. Now we have to calculate this. Root 3 is the LCM. 16 plus 8, that is 24 upon root 3. Or I can rationalized root 3 by root 3. This is 24 root 3 by 3, or cancel out this 8 root 3. Student, 8 root 3, and don't miss the unit. Here the unit is meter. Required height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. If there is also given root 3 is 1.732, then the height of the tree is 8 into 1.732. Hope you can understand the both questions student. Next video में we solve some more important questions. Till then you can take care yourself and solve different NCERT question of class 10th. See you soon student. Bye bye.